Hey guys, welcome to this advanced lesson about pawns. I'm going to be teaching you a rule which is a little bit difficult to grasp, but if you've learnt all the other rules of chess, then I think you're ready for it. This rule is called en passant. It's a French phrase and it means whilst passing through. And I'll first show you what the rule is so you can have some context. So, in this position, you'll notice that this pawn over here, it's advanced. And now if black goes here, I can take this pawn like this. This is the only time when you can do this in chess. It's not a normal thing, and you don't see it that often. So let me explain the environment for this thing to happen. What must the position be like in order for you to do this kind of maneuver? So, I think in my years of teaching, the easiest way to explain this is simply, if your opponent moves their pawn 2 squares forward, such that it is right next to your pawn, adjacent to your pawn, then you can take it as if it only moved 1 square forward. Okay? The only time you will encounter this is when your own pawn is quite advanced. In fact, it needs to be 5 rows or ranks from the bottom. So if I count, this is the bottom rank. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If my pawn is anywhere on this rank, and for black, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If black's pawns are anywhere on this rank, so rank 4 for black and rank 5 for white, then en passant can occur. Okay? And once again, the opponent must move their pawn 2 squares forward in 1 move. Okay? If the pawn is already here and it moves 1 square forward, then you cannot do this. It must move 2 squares forward in 1 move. And then, and only then, can you take it as if it only just moved 1 square forward, okay? Another thing to mention about en passant is you can only do it directly after your opponent moves their pawn 2 squares forward. So you have a very slim window of opportunity to do this move. You cannot, for example, if black goes like this, you cannot go here, wait for black to do another move, and then take. You must strike whilst the iron is hot. I hope that makes sense, guys. And on to the next lesson.